as you can see, we are back at Durhamtown, gang. So yeah, man, it's time to get unloaded. I ain't finna do a lot of talking, man. The pack already here. I just seen 3 of the guys. We got like 4 on the way. I don't know who else here. Man, look, finna put this gear on and get back at it. Tap in when we get back on the GoPro real quick.
Y'all late to the party. Y'all boys out there ripping shit already, ain't it?
Yeah.
Lee done took the spinny spill, goddamn.
I did too over there on that Supercross truck.
Man.
Shit dry as fuck. Hit the front brakes too hard.
Hit it.
It washed. Fucking slammed my damn head in that burn. This one?
Yes, sir. Just crushed me, bro. I'm back though.
It feels straight.
It still do like a little pop when you get right there.
I hate falling on this shit. You had a nice
good, bro.
It's a hard one.
He gonna pop back out.
Last time? Dude, I ain't never seen those.
24th.
Yeah, it did.
Yes, Sirski. And follow the channel, man, at Twan Dizzy.
Yes, sir, ski. Because it is Talaria.
Yeah, Talaria.
Talaria.
Talaria. Sting off.
Yes, sir, my boy. We done finally linked up. Hey, it's all back. See what's going on. Look. 125, 125, 125, 125. Why, see? My boy, the Talaria out here. Stop playing with him. Y'all good? Yeah.
I'm about to go freshy, 24 miles.
Ooh.
I go 24 miles.
Yeah.
I ain't buying no more hoes.
Right, bro. I feel you. I'm trying to go 24 250 next, bro. We got homie out here on the Talaria. Yes, sir. Hit them bitches. It ain't done. That motherfucker beat. Right out there in that kicker. Okay, Katie. You, yes, sir.
Hey, clear for me right quick.
Stay right here?
Yeah, make sure it's clear for here.
I got you. Yes, sir, Ski.
You can do that shit.
I'm still finna hit that motherfucker. What? Damn, I missed it. What happened?
Hey,
I missed
see
it.
that shit?
All I saw was you coming back down. Yes, sir. Woo! We good.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. They do it. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm going cash up, pick it up on the phone tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm right in the pit with the bottles of Sprite. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm going cash up, pick it up on.
Hey, that's how you do it though. Ain't nobody went there, goddamn. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man? We out here in the middle of the track.
Step out this spot, which car I'ma whip. AP a roller, which one on my wrist. All of these bitches, which one I'ma get. Which one? Which one? Might switch it up, baby. Hellcat on the radio. Fly you out, DJ. Too many racks, gotta switch the spot up on the stage now. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one?
Nope. I ain't ready, y'all. That shit got that hurt, bro. Damn, man, I want to jump bad ahead. That shit hurt, bro. He just broke his arm too? Man, even the case killing me, bro. Just all the weight coming down into the shoulder joint, just. Right. Right, bro. Huh? Huh?
I said third gear, full throttle.
Right. That's why I said. I ain't fucking with shit on here at first, second. Hell nah, this shit's too. That boy ate that chicken?
That boy know where he going. I was waiting on him. I was like, where that little nigga at?
I already know. I said, wait on, he wait on K today.
I mean, that two-stroke ain't hit.
I love my little two-stroke.
But yeah, the jump is definitely scary though, I ain't gonna lie. Especially coming out of corners, because you got to get that shit back right. start there. Yeah, that shit got my ass. I don't know what I was thinking until I got right there.
Deep, baby.
It's deep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That big goddamn moving.
That shit's scary as fuck.
That shit go back too fast.
I gotta handle that first.
Yeah, guy. I hit that right side.
Let's try that side with that bitch. That look,
Hey, that goddamn dip, boy, that ain't no joke.
that look tight with them.
You gotta jump, then it dip, then it jump out. Wayne over here doing shit like he just brushing his teeth.
And the trail maker, man. I'm telling
I'm just brushing my teeth in the trail today. It's nothing.
you, trail maker.
That boy done went down. That boy done went down. Said we extra fried, y'all. Extra fried, extra hot.
It's too hot.
I'm talking about y'all can see the sweat dripping off the bikes. Forget us. When your bike's sweating, it's hot, gang.
It's way too hot.
Y'all see what's going on? Me and bro the last two out there, bitch. Yeah, it is, my boy done pulled up, you know what I'm saying? We came out a little tardy today, but today was a weird ass day, man. Hey, y'all send a prayer for that boy Darius, for that boy Elite. We had a few guys go down out here today. Broke bikes, crack, man, a real.
Left my camera and all. It was just one of them bad days.
Damn.
Man.
So, man, I'm gonna get out y'all ear, man. I'm back, hurt shoulder. You did, YZ family. Y'all tap into the next one, and we out this thing, guys.